Say hi to them. Ang gagawin namin yan ay souffle, mami, tama ba? Souffle pancake. Ayan. Kasi naboboard na kami sa ordinary pancake, guys. Sakto naman, meron kami ng mga kailangan. So, naisip namin gawin namin to. Wait lang. Si mami muna. Wait lang.
What about all three of us?
Okay. Oh, come on. Oh, sige. Pastor, mami, maglulobot na yung camera ko. Please.
Ay, sandali. Oh, siya. Please.
Hello, there is always like that. I got you on my shoulders. You are the one that we need. I am the one to struggle over the highest mountain, down to the deepest river. Let it be water fountain, let it be sun and shiver.
Okay.
I will be the one to go in the house to go.
Wait lang. Oh, wait lang mga anak. Wait lang. Hello, clingers. Ayan. Mamaya, mag-TikTok anak ko. May TikTok na tayo. Sa TikTok natin gawin yan. Sa TikTok natin gawin yan. Wait lang. Oh, come on. Kasi we're gonna do something. Okay? So, welcome back to our channel, guys. Thank you for always coming back. I hope you're doing okay. You're doing great after the Holy Week. Kumusta kayo? Kumakamot talaga ako. Para naman sa first time sa channel namin, my name is Bryce of Omni and Bryce.
Oh.
That's mommy. And we are Omni and Bryce. And together with our kids, we are...
#TheClingyFam!
Okay na. Isa pa yan. Not too much. Oh. Say hi to them. Anyway, guys, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon para updated kayo tuwing may bago kaming video. Libre yun, so subscribe na. And also, let's stay connected. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, Omni and Bryce. Naghahanap kami ng kakain namin bukas ng umaga kasi mag-swimming kami sa balcony namin and gusto namin doon na rin kami mag-breakfast kasi maaga kami mag-start para hindi kami abutan ng sobrang init ng araw sa tanghali. And sakto kayo na nag-browse ako online at may nakita akong post from... Wait lang. Feast Your Eyes PH. Si Gab pala itong nasa likod ng page na to.
Si Gab Hornacion?
Yes, si Gab Hornacion na vlogger friend namin. Ang gagawin namin yan ay souffle, mami, tama ba? Souffle pancake. Ayan. Kasi naboboard na kami sa ordinary pancake, guys. Sakto naman, meron kami ng mga kailangan. So, naisip namin gawin namin to.
And we're making them heart-shaped.
Yan, kwento namin kung bakit heart shape yung gagawin namin, guys. Para makagawa ng souffle pancake at home, kailangan mo na 250 grams ng pancake mix. Also, we need 2 medium eggs. And also, guys, we need 3 tablespoons of sugar. Actually, white sugar yung ginamit ni Gab, pero we will try brown sugar kasi brown sugar yung meron kami sa bahay. And then, we also need 1 to 2 cups of water. We also need oil for cooking. And then, we actually need baking sheets para pang-form or pang-mold ng pancake natin. Pero wala kaming baking sheets. So, ito ang gagamitin namin. Yung heart shape na, ano tawag dito? Molder. And then, we need 2 mixing bowls. 1 with whisk and 1 with spatula. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
First step is pour the pancake mix. Next is we have to move this because we're gonna separate the egg yolk from the egg white. You know what the egg yolk is?
Yep. The circle thing.
Egg there.
Ta! Now the other egg yolk. It's my first time to bake.
It's not really baking, my love. Oh well, what do you call this ba? It's cooking?
But make sure you also finish your food, John. Ta-da!
Tada! We will put the egg white sa chiller muna. You have to pour the egg yolks in the pancake mix.
Okay.
And mix together.
Ooh, Dad, it smells even good with the egg yolk.
And then next thing to do, pour small increments of water in the pancake mixture and continue mixing until you get peanut butter-like consistency. Do you know how peanut butter looks like?
Yeah.
Yeah, the outcome should be like that, and then you put the water little by little. Okay, oops, then mix it. Just enough for it to get wet enough. Okay, stop muna natin Sarah. I think I need to help you, my love.
Yeah, because it's a little hard for me. Oh.
Until it gets wet lang. No. Oh, pour some more water, Ate Stella. Oh, put water inside, Ate Stella.
Inside.
There. Some more.
Yeah, because
Okay.
that's just very fun. Ooh. This smells so delicious and I feel like I want to eat it already. 3 more left and then that's it.
Hindi namin naubos yung isang cup ng water to achieve yung consistency na gusto.
So young chocolate. OMG, I'm having a hard time.
Well, it's a bit sticky, so it's really hard for kids to do it. I think that's it.
Yeah.
So mukha na siyang peanut butter, guys, and wala na rin halos yung mga buo-buong part. So I think this is good. We have to replace this with the egg white. Now, our goal is to mix it until it becomes foamy. And then when it's foamy already, we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of sugar.
Okay. I didn't know this egg white can actually be foamy.
Look, oh, that's the goal.
Oh.
Look at how Tito Gab is holding it. The whisk. Well, although it's quite big kasi. Not like that. Like this, like a wand. Like this. There. Hi guys, just like that, failed yung brown sugar natin with the egg whites. Hindi ko alam if it's the brown sugar or kulang sa pag-chill, pero parang sure. Bumili na kami ng paminta, ng betchin. Charot. Bumili na kami ng white sugar sa sari-sari store.
Oh, ito na yung egg white mo.
So let's put the egg white. Mix it until it becomes foamy.
Lagyan mo na ng sugar.
Hindi pa, mamaya yung sugar. Okay, then let's add 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Okay. Thank you, Mommy. Ayan, mukhang okay this time ang ating meringue.
Can I already?
Okay, you can do it.
Guys, it's not just like foamy, like shaving cream, so I'll put back my own science glass to make it a foamy potion.
Foamy potion.
How many minutes?
There's no specific time. You just have to achieve yung consistency na para siyang frothy, Mami, no? Sobrang matagal tong process ng paggawa ng meringue. Siya yung matrabaho. Yeah, it should be there. Or remove your instax muna, nakaharang. Oh, there, it's working. Ayan, pero hindi pa ganyan, guys. Actually, matrabaho siya, guys, pero dahil sa experience ko sa paggawa ng dalgona, using fork, minamani ko na siya. Commercial break, picture daw muna. Okay.
Here siya.
Feeling ko that's too far. Let's see nga. Yan, ang ganda ng picture. Diba? Instax at home.
And I even made another picture.
I-post namin sa Instagram to, guys. So, follow us on Instagram. Ito pa isang kuha ni Zia. Ganda rin. Yeah, follow us on Instagram. Pati yung finished product, i-post namin using Instax din. So, follow us on Instagram. Let's connect there. Okay, so I think we're successful. So, ito yung tinatawag nating stiff peak stage. Ayan.
This is a picture from Disneyland. It's the slingy dog ride with me and Mom and Zella.
Oh, you took that? A selfie?
Yeah.
Nakakamiss na mag-travel. Soon, mag-travel tayo. So now, we have our meringue mixture. And let's get our pancake mixture. What we need to do is to pour 1/3 of our meringue mixture into our pancake mix or batter. So ito yung crucial part kasi hindi mo siya i-mix. Ang gagawin mo is i-fold.
You know how to fold?
Ganito lang, di ba?
No?
How?
It's not folding. Here.
Yun nga.
Fold. Hindi iikot.
Kumbaga parang sila sandwich mo siya. Okay?
Mom, open!
Make sure guys that you don't do it fast to the point na ma-mix yung meringue. So tama ulit ko to. Like this. Kailangan daw until yung white hindi na visible. Now we can add another 1/3 of our meringue mixture. Okay. So let's fold. So dahil wala ng white streaks, we can add the last 1/3. Sa stage daw na to or sa process daw na to, dapat doon ka maingat. Kailangan fold talaga, otherwise hindi siya magiging fluffy. And then, since wala na yung white, we can now proceed. So this time guys, iinitin natin yung pan. I-prepare natin with 2 tablespoons of oil.
Round 1.
Since we're gonna be using steel molder, lalagyan ko siya ng butter sa gilid para sure lang na hindi kumapit. Kasi dapat talaga ideally ang ginagamit ay baking sheet. So pagdating sa heat guys, kailangan lang medium heat ang gagamitin natin. Ilalagay natin yung mix. Dapat 3/4 lang nung height ng mold or na molder yung ilalagay mong amount ng mix. Dahil kailangan may space para pag umalsa. Next that we need to do is pour water. Mag-create tayo ng steam bath. So yun yung medyo nakakatakot na part guys kasi parang sasabog. Pero let's see the effect. Okay, so after 3 minutes, this is how it looks like. Wow! Tapos what you need to do next is to flip the pancake. Parang di na kailangan yung molder. Ano ba? Let's pour our mix.
Round 2.
Again, kailangan 3/4 lang nung molder yung ilalagay mo. Ilalagay mo ang tubig, then tatakpan. In fairness, sa una lang siya maingay, yung kanina. So 3 minutes paglalagay ng water, hayaan mo siya mag-steam bath sa loob ng nakatakip. Mukhang this time successful tayo. Okay, so after 3 minutes, you have to flip it. Ayan, so ilagay natin yung tubig. Konti lang this time. Ayan.
Round 3.
For some reason, this time, hindi nagtatasigan yung mantika because of water. So dahil takot ako masunog siya, kahit wala pang 3 minutes, i-check ko na, and i-flip na natin. Wow, perfect! This time is perfect! Yay! Ididiin mo siya ng konti. Okay, dun sa pan. Then another 3 minutes. But of course, you have to cover it again. So this time, let's check kung luto na. To check, you can use fork or toothpick. Tutusokin mo lang siya sa gitna. At kapag wala nang basa na residue, then that means luto na siya. Like this one. It's a lot better than kanina. Woohoo! Kasi ako, for our last piece, parang ito yung pinakamaganda. Ito ay para sa aking mahal na Reyna. Ayan. Ayan. Yung maayos na version ng souffle pancake natin, nakagawa tayo ng 5. Pang-5 tong kay Mrs. Okay? Pero meron actually mga 3 nasunog. So all in all, out of the 250 grams na pancake mix, nakagawa ako ng 7. Okay? And itong huli yung pinaka maganda, I would say. Okay, so syempre para mas special, lagyan natin ng butter yung kay Mrs. Actually lahat naman nalagyan natin, pero itong isa lang muna para lang.
Wow!
Wow?
Yeah, it's a heart shape.
Yeah.
I thought that you did that.
How I did it?
Yeah.
You will watch it on the vlog. Also, let's add... Hulaan niyo kung ano to guys. Guess what this is? Wow! Naku, mamahalin na naman ako ni Mrs. na to.
diba? Diba? There's Mickey Mouse on it. Dad, why don't we put some ice on it and then it would be
Ice?
like make a,
natin.
it would be
Siyempre, kailangan gold yung, yung fork natin.
Me first.
Wait lang, si Mami muna. Wait lang.
What about all three of us?
Okay, oh,
Like, I'm
come on.
gonna
Oh,
get
sige.
extra forks.
Pastor Mami, maglulobot na yung camera ko,
Ay, ito
please.
na, sandali. Oh, siya. Please. Kamasarap to.
Okay.
Yum! I want to finish it.
You want to finish it?
Talk when your mouth is full. In fairness, masarap.
Oh my goodness.
Dito ka muna, anak ko.
How is it?
Yum.
You like it? Good job, Anasia. We worked for this. You
Can I
helped me.
make another one? Please.
We'll be needing choco syrup on that. Saka konting marshmallows.
High five.
Oh, sit down.
Oh, ikaw din. Oh, ikaw din.
Oh, wait lang.
Nasa yung hat mo?
Ito yung hat mo.
Oh, say hi to them first. Say hi to them. Pa-empty bat na.
Ayaw niya. O, babay na lang.
Bye-bye.
Hi to them muna. Say hi to them.
Again.
Hi them.
Again. Bye-bye.
Babay them.
Oh, here pa. Oh, pa. Oh, makisali ka na rito.
Okay na. Thank you, Daddy. Oh, get ka.
Wait. I put it on the table. Wait lang. Wait lang sa table, Mami. Oh, Mami, pahawak. Pahawak.
Teka.
I want.
Masyadong malaki.
I want.
Nainitan.
I want.
Oh.
Okay.
I want to win.
Oh, here, baby.
Lagyan nyo sa ganyan butter para mas sarap. Okay.
Butter and
Hindi na nakaabot sa lamesa yung luto.
It's a success. Ayan, nagkakagulo sila ngayon. Para daw,
Hanap.
ito yung sunog. Pero masarap pa rin kahit sunog. Tingnan mo.
Basta wag lang
Tapos-
kainin yung maitim.
So yun. So parang kung kumain ng mga siniserve na dessert sa...
Bibingin ka pala, hindi mo naman kami in-inform.
Parang kumakain ng mga siniserve sa restaurant. Thank you so much, Feast Your Eyes, PH, Gab. Thank you so much for this recipe. At least may bago kaming nalaman ngayon na gawa. Uulitin ko to. I'm not sure kung bukas ang umaga sa breakfast namin kasi nga matagal yung paggawa ng meringue. No? But definitely it's worth it.
Dad, can you make another one? Not tomorrow, but today.
Let me bite first. Ang sarap nga.
Fish, ayaw niya kainin yung isda niya tuloy.
Sa tayo nang kumain.
Yum!
Sorry, haggard lang ako guys. Pero
Everybody, this is so yum!
yeah, so thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. And of course, please subscribe. So once again, we are
Omni
and Bryce. And together with our kids, we are
Yummy pancake!
always remember to cling on to your dreams. Because dreams do come true. Just fade it till you make it. Bye! Hindi ka na na-picturean. Humingi nga pa ng picture si Gab.
Say bye to them. Say bye to them.
Mom!
Oh, okay.
Bye them.
I have to say something, guys.
Oh.
Don't you ever down a sweet good cover.
Oh.
So let it down, so let it down.
Oh, siya na yun. Let it out, hindi down.
Don't you ever